A native tree that has been on the verge of extinction throughout eastern American forests for over a century will be the first in Fairfield County to grow in a special preserve in Greenwich. The Greenwich Land Trust joined 50 volunteers at the Duck Pond Hill Preserve along Burning Tree Road to plant nearly 400 American chestnut tree seedlings from Virginia at its new acre-and-a-half American Chestnut Tree Sanctuary.
Purposely planting them while they're in their dormant phase so they can kind of just get readjusted, and then in the spring we're looking for some good growth to happen.
It's an effort in partnership with the American Chestnut Foundation to plant the seedlings, which have been scientifically bred with the Chinese chestnut tree to be blight resistant.
The American chestnut is an incredibly important species for eastern forests. It provides food for a variety of different wildlife. It prevents erosion and cleans water, and it's a really productive forest tree.
The once dominant tree was nearly eradicated by an Asian blight pathogen, which was introduced over a century ago. Today, only very few American chestnut trees remain, and those that do not reach their former stature.
The soil here has been tested to make sure it's appropriate for the chestnuts, and so we're hoping that over the next 10 to 15 years we'll see beautiful chestnut trees growing here.
Land Trust officials say a healthy American chestnut tree is capable of growing up to 75 feet, and just within a few short years, the trees here on this parcel may already reach over 20 feet.
Chestnut tree that is about 24 feet long.
Each tree is being individually planted and then surrounded by a protective cone that will keep out the voles and the mice that might be in the field, and then the whole area is surrounded by a deer fence.
The nuts from this particular planting, they will be naturally distributed into the forest, the surrounding woodland here, by squirrels. Hopefully forgetful squirrels will leave some and not eat them all. And then a variety of other ones will be used for establishing other trees on our other properties.
In Greenwich, I'm Priscilla Lombardi for It's Relevant News.